Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Treatment with Quran. Today we have a very important session with Mr. Gulfam, and sir, I want to ask you a very simple thing, and that is most of us, it's an irrefutable fact. We cannot deny it that every single human being dreams of something in his or her life. We dream of different things. Sometimes we have nightmares as well, the frightening dreams. So most of the people, they always relate their nightmares or their frightening or bad dreams with magic. So what do you think? Is there any fundamental or intrinsic relation between nightmares and magic?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. Salman, there is a close relationship between black magic and dreams. But most of the people think that if they have nightmares, so it is a symptom of magic. Dreams are closely related to magic, but it doesn't mean that all the nightmares are the symptoms that this person is affected by magic. They are closely related to each other. All the peoples that have nightmares, it doesn't mean they are affected by black magic. Magic is related to dreams, but they are some specific kind of dream. For example, dreaming of snake, dreaming of lizard, dreaming of camel and cow in the dream, and sometimes these animals are attacking you, they are hitting you. So this is a symptom of magic, and the repetition of same dream. And you dream of uninhabited and deserted places in your sleep. So this is a symptom of magic. So these kinds of dreams, and when they repeat, so if you dream of desert places once in your life, so it doesn't mean you are affected by magic. But if such kind of dream they repeat, so it is because of magic. So this thing shows that this person is affected by magic.
All right.
So dreams are closely related to black magic, but all the dreams, all the nightmares, they do not show that this person is affected by magic.
As you said that all the nightmares are not directly linked to magic, so what are the other factors? What can be the other factors that can cause nightmares and bad dreams in human beings?
There are different reasons behind nightmares. If somebody is addicted to horror movies and dramas, and or he reads horror books, horror series, so it can cause nightmares. And if somebody do not take care of his food, and you had your dinner and then you sleep immediately after taking your dinner, so it can cause your stomach problems, and stomach problems also can cause nightmares. And there is a third reason. If you are having some issues and problems in your actual life, so these real life problems can cause nightmares, because problems, they stuck in your mind, and when you sleep, they come out of your unconsciousness in the dream, in a shape of nightmare. So these are the reasons behind nightmares, and magic is just a reason behind it. All the dreams and all the nightmares are not because of magic. So this is the relationship.
All right. So how can we find that? Are there specific types of dreams that we can relate with magic? I mean to say, if a person has these, can we say that if this dream comes to a person, he is presupposedly be affected by black magic or something?
As I told you, repetition of same dream, for example, dirty things, piles of garbage and heap, and washroom, desert places, and far off places. So if the dream repeats with these things, repetition of same dream. If a person has a dream of these things only once in a life, so it's not magic. So magic will be when the same dream repeats. So it can be a cause of magic.
Okay. So in the last, I'm going to ask you a very simple thing, that how can we avoid bad dreams? Please guide our audience. How can they avoid bad dreams?
It depends on the reason behind bad dreams and nightmares. For example, if the reason is black magic, so definitely have to treat good black magic according to the sunnah and holy according to the sunnah and Quran. So treat black magic in a proper way. So if it is because of your stomach problem, so definitely you must consult a doctor. And if this is because of watching of horror movies and dramas, so avoid watching these things. And if you're stuck in some kind of problem in your actual life, so try to solve these problems. So tackle the reason and try to sort out the reason that is behind your nightmares and bad dreams.
So are there any general supplications that anyone can recite before sleeping?
Yes, it is not an easy thing to solve all your problems instantly. So it's not also necessary that all the persons who are facing these problems, they have nightmares. So when you go to bed, make ablution before going to bed and recite Ayatul Kursi when you go to bed, and recite name of Allah Almighty. So with this supplication and with this method, you can avoid bad dreams.
All right. Thank you so very much, Mr. Gulfam, for your time. Thank you so very much for watching this video.